I'm here in town waiting for the place to open up where I'm going to exchange my bottles for another case of Red Horse. Still pretty early, people are still waking up. The place opened at 8. This is the plaza here in town. It's a good place to hang out. There's places to sit. And it's nice and shady. Pretty cool. This is my favorite little buggy to go get beer. It's easy in and out. I have an extra bag to pick up some snacks. They sell a lot of snacks at the same place. They'll be open in a few more minutes. Here at the store, they're dropping off the Red Horse delivery in the morning. And they sell other stuff besides beer, obviously.
You need a proof.
I need the proof.
Yeah.
It's funny. It's a really nice place. I like it here. We chat a lot. So I gotta pick up my snacks when I pick up my beer. They have quite a big selection and a lot of other essentials, because you got to have essentials. Snacks are really popular. So we made it back in one piece. We got our case of beer and big bag of snacks. So thanks for watching, and play safe out there and be careful.